Today I'll be making my own bedtime tea. So I'm in the woods searching for some heather.
I need something to drink. I need something to drink. I need something to drink.
Yes!
I need something to drink. Something to drink. Why?
Maybe over there. Yes! Ta-da! Stinging nettles. Gotta be careful. Ouch! Now, this is hop cones. It grows in my own garden. Now, this is lavender that my lovely wife has planted. Hope she don't mind that I use some of it. Welcome into my caravan and let's make some tea! Welcome to my caravan. I will make some sleeping mode tea, or what we call it. I got all the stuff I collected before. I'm going to put it in a pot, add some water and boil it. The heather. Just need the flowers. Some of the lavender. And the stinging nettles. My hands are still hurting. And the hop cones. I collected a lot of them. The hop cones are extremely bitter, so I'm going to add some honey later. Now, as you can see, I put it all in the pot, and I'm going to add a bit of water. I want this to be as concentrated as possible because I want to wait for it to cold and then add it to some soda water and drink it as iced tea. Now I'm going to let it boil, and then I just let it simmer for about, I don't know, 15 minutes maybe. Yes, I think it's starting to get ready now. Very bitter. Let's try with a little bit of honey. Much better, not so bitter. Yep. Now, before I fall asleep, let's finish this. Let's finish this. I'm going to pour it in the bottle so I can put it in the fridge, and later I can take it out and add some soda water. So I got this sleeping mode iced tea. But I have to add some more honey. Sleeping mode tea on a bottle. All those ingredients, the heather and the lavender, hop cones, and stinging nettles will make you sleepy. So, good night. Yes, that's all for today, and don't forget to push the subscribe button there, or I don't know.
I need something to drink. I need something